Good morning, students. I am Megan D'Souza and I am here to teach you SST. So the first chapter today I am teaching for class 7th is our environment. Now if you see, we live on the planet Earth, and as you know, our planet Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. हमारा जो planet Earth है वो इस solar system में सबसे unique है दूसरे planet से. और हम ये क्यों कहते हैं कि ये यूनिक क्यों है? क्योंकि इट हैज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइफ ऑन इट. मतलब इस प्लैनेट पे so that pause it please. How would you say it in Hindi? Presence of life. हम अर्थ को एक यूनिट प्लैनेट इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इस प्लैनेट पर we have living things, we have life, and this is only possible because on earth पर you get oxygen, water and food जो दूसरे planets पे नहीं है. इसलिए हम कहते हैं earth is a unique planet. Now because of this, if you see around you, you will see various things. You will see trees, birds, you will see people, benches, you will see books, you will see different things around you, buildings, and all these things collectively, ये सारे चीज जो है साथ में हमारा environment बनाता है. क्या बनाता है? Environment. Now these things can be of two types. One is living and the other is non-living. One is living and the other is non-living. So all these things, living, non-living, man-made things, all these things together form a environment. Environment. What is environment? Environment are the things that surround us. That is why we say that environment is our basic support system. Why do we call it a support system? Because without environment we will not have the things that we need for a living. मतलब बगैर ये चीजों के हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होगा हमारे लिविंग के लिए. ना हमें खाना मिलेगा, ना हमें पानी मिलेगा, ना जो डेली बेसिक चीजें हैं जैसे कपड़े हैं, योर पेन, योर पेंसिल, these basic things you will not get in your day-to-day life. So that is why we say that environment is our basic support system. Now what is the meaning of the word environment? Environment has been derived from a word environa, that means neighborhood. Environa means nothing but neighborhood. So as we learned that the word environment is derived from a French word environa, meaning neighborhood. Now if you see, so these things that surround us in our day-to-day life are So now as we learn, environment is derived from a French word environa, meaning neighborhood. और neighborhood का मतलब क्या होता है? हमारे आसपास में जो लोग रहते हैं, हम कहते उसको कहते हैं ना neighborhood. तो अगर आप देखोगे कि आपके आसपास में चीजें क्या क्या है, आप देखोगे इंसान है, पेड़ पौधे हैं, जानवर है, बिल्डिंग्स है ना. अगर मेरे आसपास देखोगे तो बोर्ड, डेस्क, टेबल, ये सारी चीजें हमारे चारों ओर होते हैं. तो अगर अपने चारों ओर देखोगे तो नेचुरल चीजें भी है और मैन मेड चीजें भी है. तो एनवायरनमेंट हैज टू टाइप्स ऑफ it has two types of surroundings in we have, that is natural and man made. तो natural जिसको हम कहते हैं physical environment, and you can call this human environment too, है ना. तो नेचुरल को हम फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट भी कह सकते हैं और मैन मेड को हम ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट भी कह सकते हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नेचुरल और फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट? इट मीन्स ऑल थिंग्स एक्सिस्टिंग इन योर सराउंडिंग्स दैट कम फ्रॉम नेचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एयर, वाटर और ट्रीज. So now natural environment can be of two types, that is biotic. It can be of biotic and the other is abiotic. Now what is the difference between biotic and abiotic substances? Now biotic means all living or things, living organisms such as humans, birds, insects, animals, and abiotic means the non-living things like non-living elements of nature, just like air, water, land, soil. You have stones. All these things are non-living or abiotic elements of nature. So the four main domains of the environment. Domains इसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं अनुक्षेत्र. So now the four main domains are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Now let us discuss about the first one, that is lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust of the solid top crust of the earth. Now it mainly consists of mountains, plateaus and all the various landforms. तो lithosphere क्या है? जो अर्थ का ऊपर का जो टॉप लेयर ऑफ क्रस्ट होता है. Now if we know the layers of the earth, so if you take the layers of the earth, you have the core, then you have the inner core, outer core, then you have the mantle, you have inner core, you have outer core, then you have mantle, and you have the upper mantle, and above this you have the core. ये जो top layer of this the earth's crust, जो soil से covered है, उसको हम कहते हैं crust. So the crust is called, we call it the lithosphere. Okay. So you have the now we'll talk about the upper layer and its this thing. First you have upper mantle, then you have plastic asthenosphere, and then all this together, the continental crust, the oceanic crust, all of this together forms the lithosphere. Now we know what is continental crust and what is oceanic crust. So now in the earlier classes you have learnt about it. So now continental crust, that is all the landforms, and oceanic crust is the land below the oceans and the water bodies. So these together form the lithosphere. Now the lithosphere is, as we know, it is covered with soil. Now this is the lithosphere is the source from where we get our various minerals, be it aluminium, you can say oil, zinc, lead, all these things we are available in the lithosphere. It provides land also for growing crops and for us human beings to live on and for human settlements. आज होमवर्क के लिए यू विल बी ड्रॉइंग द डायग्राम ऑफ द लेयर्स ऑफ द अर्थ. आप लेयर्स ऑफ द लिथोस्फीयर नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे. बेसिक डायग्राम जो आपने पहले के क्लासेस में भी किया है, यू विल बी ड्रॉइंग दैट इज द इनर कोर, the outer core, the mantle, the upper mantle and the crust. You will be only drawing this for homework. Thank you.